let me show you how to restart your TCL Google TV. What you're going to do is that you're going to need your TV remote right here. So look at your TV remote, at your TCL Google TV remote, and you can actually see the settings icon right here. So you're going to tap the settings icon. Then you see this on your right hand side of your TV. You see all this? Now you're actually going to press OK on the settings icon right there. Now this comes up on your TV. Okay, now going to move down. You're going to move down to system, press OK on system, and then you're going to scroll down to see to the part where you see the word restart right there. So you're going to see restart, so you press your OK TV remote, then actually show you restart now. Move upwards and select restart, press OK, and you can actually see your TV is going to restart. So that is your TV restarting right now. So if you actually get value in this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more TV videos.